Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 2, Day 5. Okay, so we are going to start by listening to a group of sounds and blending them to make a new word. Okay, here we go. S, it, sit. F, it, fit. B, it, bit. P, ig, pig. P, ig, pin. Now this time I'm going to say a word and I want you to say each sound in the word. So we'll do one. So I'll say the word and then we'll make the sounds. It, two sounds. Sit, s, it, three sounds. Him, three sounds. Bat, b, at, three sounds. Sick, s, I, k, three sounds. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 seconds and you're going to read the word. 3, 2, 1 is 3, 2, 1, 6. 3, 2, 1, hip. 3, 2, 1, kiss. So you'll notice they all have that short I sound. Okay. Okay, let's make the sounds. Did. Change the last d to p. So dip. Change the p to g. Dig. Change the d to b. Big. Change the g to t. Bit. Change the b to h. Hit. Change the h to f. Fit. Change the f to s. Sit. Change the t to x. Six. Change the s to mix. Change the to fix. Change the x to fin. Okay, so we're listening to those sounds that make a new word. Okay, these are a review, so I'm going to give you 3 seconds and then I will say the word. Try to read the word. 3, 2, 1, fit. 3, 2, 1, big. 3, 2, 1, fin. 3, 2, 1, bag. 3, 2, 1, kids. 3, 2, 1, lick. 3, 2, 1, jam. 3, 2, 1, quit. 3, 2, 1, pick. 3, 2, 1, jazz. 3, 2, 1, hill. 3, 2, 1, sat. 3, 2, 1, kiss. 3, 2, 1, map. 3, 2, 1, pass. 3, 2, 1, tag. 3, 2, 1, mitt. 3, 2, 1, sad. 3, 2, 1, can. 3, 2, 1, digs. 3, 2, 1, quick. 3, 2, 1, it. 3, 2, 1, 6. 3, 2, 1, dip. 3, 2, 1, dad. 3, 2, 1, back. 3, 2, 1, pigs. 3, 2, 1, in. 3, 2, 1, at. 3, 2, 1, lip. 3, 2, 1, win. 3, 2, 1, his. 3, 2, 1, is. 3, 2, 1, man. 3, 2, 1, van. Okay, so I'm going to write a couple words and I'm going to help you remember that ISS says one time. This is miss. Here's a spelling word we have. It's kiss. Let's do two more. We have our double L. Hill. One more. Double L. Mill. Okay, these are our sight words, so we're going to do this quickly. 3, 2, 1, down. I put the book down. 3, 2, 1, out. She is out of money. 3, 2, 1, up. The cat is up in the tree. 3, 2, 1, very. The boy was very hungry. Okay, here's our story for today. Tim can sit. Okay, here are words we will see. 3, 2, 1, we. 3, 2, 1, can. 3, 2, 1, I. 3, 2, 1, like. 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, the. Let's read our story. Tim can sit. Okay, I'm going to let you go first. We can sit Tim. Your turn. My turn. I like to tip the chair. Your turn. My turn. I like to tip the cup. Sorry the lights went out, but we'll quickly finish. This is the last page. Your turn. So he's sipping the straw to be able to drink the water. My turn. Tim can sip it. Your turn. My turn. Tim can sit. Great job, everyone. See you later.